Welcome to my weekly drum diary. This time around, I'll be talking about 5-note grouping and singing equinox at the same time. A 5-note grouping can be a lot of different things. In this case, I'm gonna do but in triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna do this while I'm singing Equinox. I'll be doing one chorus of Equinox, and this is the John Coltrane tune, if you're in doubt. It's a blues form, 12 bars. I'll do one chorus up front, then I'll do the exercise for 8 bars, and then do the hits in the 9th bar. I'll do that twice, and then I'll do a tag ending. Okay? 1, 2, and 1. Please make comments and ask questions. I'll get back to you with it. Keep swinging.